Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix due to multiple community guidelines you are prevented from sending or receiving messages on TikTok. If you're receiving a message on TikTok that says due to multiple community guidelines violations, you are prevented from sending or receiving messages. It means that your account has been restricted from using the messaging feature due to violations of TikTok's community guidelines. To resolve the issue, you can try the following steps. You can simply review the TikTok's community guideline. You would go to the community guidelines page and review the rules. Make sure you understand what actions are not allowed on the platform. You can also go to the TikTok. After that, on the bottom right corner, there's a profile icon. Select that, and on the top right corner, we can see the three-line icon. Go there, and on the bottom, there's a settings and privacy. Select there. What you have to do is scroll a bit down until you found the report a problem option under the support and about. Select there. Over here, what you have to do is scroll a bit down, and on the bottom you can see the chat with us. Select the chat with us. And simply type down the problem that you're facing and send it. And wait for the restriction to expire. If your account was restricted temporarily, you may need to wait for the restriction to expire. This could take a few days or a few weeks depending on the severity of the violation. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.